Reflectional symmetry is like the normal symmetry that we talk about. You know, if we say that something is reflected, it's the same on both sides. So like the triangle, you know, the typical line of reflection that we all see is this line right here. We also have two more lines of reflection though, which would be this line and this line. Obviously it's not perfect, you know, it's a sketch, I should say. But that would be, you know, 3 lines of reflectional symmetry. So it is a line of reflection that divides a figure into mirror image halves. Regular polygons, which means that they have equal sides and equal angles, have lines of symmetry that match the number of sides. So like the triangle is an equilateral triangle. 1, 2, 3. They're all equal, so therefore they have 3 lines of reflectional symmetry. If we look at the polygon, we have 5 lines of reflectional symmetry because it is a regular polygon. So we have 5 lines of reflectional symmetry. Now, the difference is when we start looking at parallelograms, for instance, like this parallelogram. This parallelogram is not a regular polygon. So a regular polygon would be like a square if we're talking about a quadrilateral. So if we put a line of reflection right here, notice that they are not on the same on both sides because we have this point here that ends up reflecting over and it wouldn't be the same. Okay, so there are no lines of reflection, none, for that parallelogram. The triangle over here, this is not a regular triangle because these 2 sides are not equal to the hypotenuse. So it does have 1 line, however, which would be right here. Okay, so we have 1 line of reflectional symmetry.